고기가 뭉개져. 얼마나 무거워.
조금만 이렇게 숨이 부르는.
이거 안 먹어?
밥 먹을 수 이제 먹을 거야. 말리지 마세요. 폭주할 거니까. 너무 큰데.
와, 찌개 먹어, 찌개 먹어. 와.
와.
당근 먹지. 그거 무기.
뭐야?
뭐야?
물렸네.
독학.
근데 한 번도 안 물렸는데. 안 씻었는데.
아침에 씻었지. 똥꼬야 아침에 씻었다.
내가 2점 먹고 좀 먼저 드리고 그 다음에 내가 2점짜리 싸먹을 거거든. 고기 2덩어리가 들어갔다고요. 그 다음에 아저씨 아세요? 고기 2덩어리가 들어간 쌈의 맛을? 당분간 내가 쌈 싸주는 일이 없을 거야. 나중에 안 하면 어떡하지?
Photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no.
쓰레기 달라 했지. 맥주까지 내가 따랐어요.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I